Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you progressive insurance how to email for send documents. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to check email for your claim adjuster, first what you need to do is if you have already filed a claim, progressive assigns an adjuster, they will email you from an address like first name underscore last name @progressive.com or claim number @progressive.com. Then if that doesn't work, then what you can do is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in progressive.com. Then once the home page loads, simply tap on the login option on the top right corner of your screen. Then once you do that, all you gotta do is enter in your details and log into your progressive account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the hamburger icon on the top left corner of your screen, and among the options you'll find an option that says claims. Simply select that, and once you select it, select your claim, and then all you gotta do is tap on upload documents. And now once you're inside, all you gotta do is attach down photos, PDFs or files, and once that's done, that will be reviewed and the necessary documents will be sent to you as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.